everyone, I'm here to share my September 2019 Country Craft Creations Design Team package, and it is the Authentique Rejoice collection, and it's so cute and super vintage and just adorable for all your Christmas projects. And I've got a ton here, so I will probably be making quite a few projects with this collection. So the first thing is these seam binding colors. I have this really beautiful deep red and this pretty like sage green and then black, and then I've also got some of the baker's twine there, and it's got the green and red and white running through it, so I'm super excited to use that. And then here is the these are just, it's basically ephemera, but they just pop out. Let me just take the cover or the plastic off, so they'll be crinkling for a second here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so it's just all these different ones, and they just pop out of here so you can use them. And I actually like this format because you can kind of see everything at one glance, and then you can take it out when you need it, and it's not all over your desk and under all the other papers. It's all in one convenient place, and they pop out easily, but not so easily that they're falling out everywhere. So I really like that. So kudos to Authentique for that. So this one is very baking themed. This these pop out sheets. So Christmas is what you bake it. Christmas is best homemade North Pole milk and cookies. This one says, let's bake some memories. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Baking is love made visible. Love, joy, peace, made with love. So really, really like this collection, this sheet here. All right, so then the first paper is this one. Sorry, it's called, I think it's called Rejoice 13, and it's got these really cute cookie cutters on one side, and then this like plaid print on the other side. And then this one is kind of like a, not a tone on tone, but like a lighter color with like a tan on top, and it's all little Christmas cookies. Super cute. And then this is just kind of like a mottled one, a really nice solid. And this one's super cute. It's got like little recipes and teapots and those little Christmas cakes and teacups and all kinds of little icons all over it. And then there's like a recipe type print on the other side. Really cute. And then there's this one, which is close to my favorite of the collection. I don't know why, but I really love it. And it's got just the red print and then white little icons all over it, like the whisk and the sorry, my cord is just in the way here. The whisks and all that fun stuff. And then over here is little aprons and spoons and rolling pins. So cute. I cannot wait to show you guys what I plan to do with this collection. And then these are some border strips here. Some really cute Christmas cookies and little Christmas icons. Really sweet. In the back here is just kind of a distressed dot pattern inside like little diamonds. Really cute. And then this one is, again, Christmas cookies with little holly leaves. Super sweet. And then this really beautiful red plaid. That's close to my favorite too. I guess I don't have a favorite. And then these are little cut aparts, and again, these are very baking centered, these cut aparts. And then it's got this red check print on the back, really cute. And then these are the cut aparts that have the word art on them. Baking spirits bright, 'tis the season for joy and cookies. Cookies for Santa. The secret ingredient is 1 heaping spoon of love. And I know it's only 1 piece, but this would be actually really cute for Valentine's Day. And there's these 2 cuties holding hands. Christmas is love with lots of sugar sprinkled on top, baked with love. Holiday traditions are sweet memories. May you be filled with warm wishes, joy, and cookies. So cute. And then it's got these really cute recipe card cut aparts on the back. So I really, really like that. And then, yeah, this one goes with this one. I'm super happy that I have 2 sheets of this so that I can cut these out and just use them as is, and then have another sheet for the little 3x4 cut aparts. So these are 3x4. These were 3x4, since I don't think I said that. And then these are the 4x6 on the back. And then here's another 3x4, and these are not baking centered. These are just basic Christmas, tidings of comfort and joy, and then there's just the joy. Keep Christmas in your heart. Merry, Merry Christmas, peace, love, joy. Heartfelt and homemade. Oh, I love that. This collection is just beautiful. And then there's this side here. This really beautiful star paper, like on a string. Really cute. And then here's just cuteness overload. Everyone's just gonna be, aww. It's so cute. So this is all little animals. And I was actually thinking of doing a separate project with just these 2 sheets. So we'll see if I get around to that or not. I'm not sure yet. But there's little kittens and little puppies. And these 2 handsome fellas there. And there's a puppy and a kitten and 3 kittens in a basket. Oh, I just love it. And then the other side is this really cute plaid. Alright, and then there's this one here. So it's got the bells on the red background with some holly, really pretty. And then this is the other side, just a green plaid. And then this one is kind of like those pajamas, those like 1-piece pajamas. That's what this piece reminds me of, this page. And then the other side is this cute one, and that looks like a quilt to me. Really cute. And then this one is the same pattern with just a red background and a green background. So that's really sweet. And then this one here has got the little acorns and the poinsettias and hollies and some leaves on like a script background. And then the other side is this really cute plaid. This one is also in the running for my favorite paper. Both sides of it, which is too bad, but so here's like a diamond quilted print kind of, and it has all the different papers from the collection in it. I don't think all of them, but some of them. And then the other side is this brown. It might look, yeah, I think it looks black, but it is brown because I don't think there's any. There must be some true black in the collection, but it's a lot of brown. So it has this really cute like wallpaper pattern. Reminds me of wallpaper. All right, and then there is this Christmas star one on the red background. And then the other side is this really cute plaid. There's lots of really nice plaids in this collection. If you're a plaid fan, you've come to the right place. All right, and here's this really cool deer with the holly around its neck, or the poinsettia, sorry, and then it's on a red background. And the other side is just a nice polka dot pattern. And then this one is beautiful as well. Really, really beautiful. One of my favorites as well. So it's got some bells and acorns and then some holly tied to some bows. Really beautiful. And then the other side is this plaid again. Alright, so then this one is just the hollies. And then this one is some really nice diagonal stripes. Really love that. And this one just catches my eye. I'm not sure why, but I seem to really like the red with the white print on it. And then it's the same on the other side, just the green with the white print on it. And then this is another really great larger polka dot. And then it has plaid on the back. Really super sweet. And then there's this one, and this one kind of reminds me of a candy cane. And it has this really nice holly background. So I really like that one as well. And then here are the same cut apart, some more of the same cut aparts that we saw earlier. I have 3 sheets of these, so maybe I'll do a set of cards for you guys. That would be kind of fun. So I think maybe I'll do that with these, but I'll also use them in my other projects. So there's, again, all the ones we saw earlier, and then the back is that really nice green. And then here are these super sweet cut aparts. This Santa just cracks me up. And he just makes me think of like really traditional Christmases, like from the 50s. And I think that's probably the era it's from, or the 60s. But he just, with his little rosy cheeks and his little red nose. Oh, he's cute. And he's writing his list. My kids are for sure on the naughty list. I'm just kidding. And then here's coming out of the chimney with the little present, and he's got the kiddos, and they're telling him what they want for Christmas. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. It just invokes Christmas in me. All right, and then there's these really beautiful icons. Super traditional here. A lot more classic, I would say. Oh, look at the little birdies in the lantern. Oh, so cute. I've already seen these papers and I'm just like, just gushing over them, looking at them the second time, because I think you just don't notice everything the first time. And this beautiful little lantern with these little birdies and this beautiful truck. I love this red truck. And here's all the presents outside the mailbox and the bells and the sleigh. Beautiful lantern. Just gorgeous. And then the other side is this really nice plaid print. Really awesome. And then here is a sticker sheet. And it's got all kinds of wonderful things on it. It's got Dear Santa. As long as we know in our hearts that what Christmas is ought to be, Christmas is. I just love that. Christmas cheer, peace, believe in the magic. Dear Santa, I'll be home for Christmas. I love that. Then there's the Mary in some banners here. And then I think, yeah, this is like a speech bubble. Christmas happiness is homemade. The most wonderful time of the year. And then there's these little tabs with opposite sleighs. And then just everything. Like, it's just, this collection is complete. There is nothing else you need for your Christmas projects. And then I have 2 sheets of the medium weight chipboard, 12 by 12, so I'll be using these. So that is everything. So my plan is to kind of split, for sure, this collection into 2 separate projects. So the first one will be, well, it'll be baking themed. That's all I'm going to tell you right now. It'll be baking themed. And then the second one will be a Christmas album. So I'm not sure yet which one's coming first or exactly what they're going to be, but that is my plan right now. This paper is just, I mean, really the only word for it is yummy. There's just no other words for it. It's absolutely beautiful and just invokes thoughts of Christmas and hot chocolate and just, really beautiful memories. So I hope you guys love it, and I hope you're super excited for what is to come with this collection. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.